Welcome to MCQ Mastering YouTube channel. Ace your exams with updated current affairs. Don't forget to like, hype, share, and subscribe. Now, here's your first question.
Which of the following is a classical dance form of India? The correct answer option B, Kathak. Next question, Bharatanatyam is the classical dance form of which state? The correct answer option C, Tamil Nadu. Next question, Mohiniyattam dance form belongs to which state? The correct answer option A, Kerala. Next question, Satriya is a classical dance form from? The correct answer option A, Assam. Next question, Kuchipudi is a dance form of? The correct answer option A, Andhra Pradesh. Next question, which of the following is not a classical dance of India? The correct answer option C, Yakshagana. Next question, Kathakali dance is famous in which state? The correct answer option A, Kerala. Next question, Ghumar is a folk dance of? The correct answer option B, Rajasthan. Next question, Odissi dance originated in which temple of Odisha? The correct answer option B, Jagannath Temple, Puri. Next question, Bhagra is a popular folk dance of? The correct answer option A, Punjab. Next question, which dance form is performed during the festival of Onam in Kerala? The correct answer option C, Tiruvtirkali. Next question, Lavani is a traditional folk dance of? The correct answer option B, Maharashtra. Next question, Garba is a folk dance of which Indian state? The correct answer option A, Gujarat. Next question, which dance form is known as the dance of warriors? The correct answer option B, Chhau. Next question, Yakshagana, a dance drama performance, is popular in? The correct answer option B, Karnataka. Next question, the dance form Manipuri is associated with which theme? The correct answer option A, Radha Krishna Raslila. Next question, which classical dance is famous for its use of ghungroos, ankle bells, and storytelling through expressions? The correct answer option A, Kathak. Next question, the folk dance Bihu is performed in? The correct answer option B, Assam. Next question, which dance is performed by the Santhal tribe of Jharkhand, Bihar and Odisha? The correct answer option B, Santhali dance. Next question, which of the following is a martial art-based dance of Kerala? The correct answer option C, Kalripayattu. Next question, Odissi dance is dedicated to which deity? The correct answer option B, Lord Vishnu, Jagannath. Next question, Perini Shivattam is a dance form of which state? The correct answer option A, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Next question, the folk dance Dolu Kunita belongs to. The correct answer option A, Karnataka. Next question, which of the following classical dance forms is most closely associated with the temple culture of Odisha? The correct answer option B, Odissi. Next question, Kudiyattam is a traditional dance drama form of. The correct answer option B, Kerala. Next question, Roof is a traditional dance of which Indian state? The correct answer option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, which dance is performed during the harvest season in Haryana? The correct answer option B, Fag. Next question, Chero, bamboo dance, is a famous folk dance of. The correct answer option B, Mizoram. Next question, the dance form Gotipuya is the precursor to. The correct answer option A, Odissi. Next question, the folk dance Cholia is performed in. The correct answer option B, Uttarakhand.